Okay guys, just to share how to change your cabin air conditioning air filter. Very easy. Okay, what you do, open your glove box. You can see this thing here, you have one and you have two, right? Make sure to remove all your items from here. Okay, so you just have to twist this counterclockwise until you cannot twist it, right? Twist it and pull it out, right? Same thing with here, twist it counterclockwise and pull this thing out, so this thing will come out, right? So it will stop here. Okay, and then you will see there is a cover here, right? So if you can see properly, there is a clip here. It's not a clip, you have to press with your two fingers and pull, right? Same goes to the left and right. Press with the two finger and pull, so the cover comes out. You can just rest the cover there and you will see your cabin air filter inside. So gently just put your finger and remove it, right? In this case, I've already changed it to activated carbon air filter, so there is no any direction. You can use it in any direction, but the original one, there is a direction. So in case if you take out the original one just to inspect and to put it back, make sure that you follow the direction, because there is an arrow showing the airflow, right? And I am not sure now how is the airflow. So if any member can confirm your original air filter, how is it installed, whether the arrow is pointing down or up when you put it inside here, that will be helpful for the rest of the members. So my old air filter is this. This is the original air filter. You can see this is the original one. It's written there Hyundai, Kia and all that, right? And this air filter I purchased from Shopee. It's about 8 ringgit one piece. I bought 5 pieces to avoid the shipping fee. Shipping fee will be free, 40 ringgit and above, from the particular seller, which I've already shared the link. So you just put it inside, right? It's a perfect fit. Just slide it in, then take back your cover, put back, and you press. You will hear 2 click. 1, 2, right? So it's perfectly fitted inside. Then you get back your knobs. Make sure you push the dashboard until you push the glove compartment until you see this guy goes inside there, and you slide it in until you put it in. Okay, and you turn it clockwise until you hear a click sound. You do that to the other side also. Okay, so it's already done. Hopefully it helps. Thank you very much.